Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it's Monday. It is the first Monday of February 2022. 2022. February. Can you believe it? Yeah, the seventh day of February. 2022. So happy February to you all. I know many of you have special days in this month of February. For those of you who have birthdays, anniversaries, whatever anniversaries, um, whatever other celebrations you may have in this month of February. Yes, happy celebrations to you all. I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Meds. Like I told you last month, we are starting a new setup. We are the beginning of each month. I will share with you what our plans are for Monday Meds um, series. And so, yes, today I will give you an overview. Whet your appetite or whet your appetite. Whet your appetite. Yes, whet your appetite. And I hope you did enjoy the Delectable Delights proteins. Hope you did enjoy those. And yes, from time to time, we'll share more tutorials on how you could get vegan dishes. All right, so to whet your appetite on what we are doing this month, and maybe next month, we'll see how God leads. We are starting this series or this feature, What to Do When There's No Doctor. I said it, yes, I did say it. What to do when you don't have a doctor, or when there is not a doctor nearby, or say in the middle of the night you take sick. Nights is a horrible time. Nights, it's horrible, a horrible time to get sick in the night. Yes, I can testify of it. It is, you pray for daylight. You pray that the sun, just the dawn of the day, the bright of the day breaks. The day breaks. Yes. And so this series will be focusing on that. What to do when there is not a doctor around, when you don't have certain medication, when you don't have certain things. What to do? We're going to be using home remedies. We are going to be using everyday stuff that if you don't have them in your house, you definitely need to get it. And I'll give you a preview. I'll give you a preview today. I won't leave you hanging. No hanging, guys. No hanging. We have life, we have hope. And so we look forward. So we have hope. We have hope. So, yes, I won't leave you high and dry, as we would say in Jamaica. But I will share with you, I'll give you a hint of what we'll be doing this month. I must give this disclaimer. I am not a medical doctor. While I'm your health educator, I give you health information, and you choose to do what you want to do with it. So I don't claim to be a medical doctor. As many of you know, I have a master's degree in health and wellness education. However, I'm not a medical doctor. So I have to say that. And I will, by God's grace, I'll say that in all the features, that all of the different features this series and onwards. Because many people um, may say, well, okay, she said that, so I have to do it this way. No, this is educational, and it is for you to choose to do what you want to do with it. If you don't have a primary care doctor, and if you get sick, I would encourage you to definitely go and see a doctor. If you have a doctor, definitely check in with your doctor before doing any major or anything major. Um, these remedies that we'll be sharing, they are everyday stuff that we use. And so I won't say they don't have side effects. or they don't have caution, and I will share the caution as I know in each series. So our first feature beginning next Monday, beginning next Monday. Like I said, I will leave you high and dry. So next week we'll be talking about, do you know this? Can you guess what it is or identify? So yes, it's a pepper. Yes, if you said cayenne pepper or cayenne, you got it right. So we'll be talking about cayenne pepper next week, the benefits, what to do with cayenne pepper if there's not a doctor, or how can you use cayenne pepper if there's not a doctor. As we wrap up Monday Med series today, I think about it as we launch this series, this new series, what to do when there is not a doctor. I think about one of my favorite psalm, or one of the verses in my favorite psalm, Psalm 46. Psalm 46. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Or, as I paraphrase it, God is a very present help in times of great need. What to do when there is no doctor? What to do when there is no doctor? Well, there is Dr. God. Dr. God. And He is a present help in the time of great need. I pray you'll tap into Dr. God this week. Have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.